AI and technology. Imagine a world where machines not only execute tasks, but also comprehend, process, and like humans. This isn't a figment of science fiction, but a forthcoming reality. We are on the cusp of entering the epoch of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Pioneering breakthroughs are occurring, with John Carmack, an esteemed computer programmer and former executive at Meta, predicting that AGI will evolve into a trillion-dollar industry in the 10 years. Carmack envisions a time when AGI can manage intricate intellectual tasks, presently only possible for humans. He acknowledges the limitations of current AI in mimicking human brain functions, yet asserts that AGI is within our reach. Utilizing technologies such as deepfakes, chatbots, and voice synthesis, Carmack offers a glimpse into the potential of he is not alone in his pursuit. His startup, Keen Technologies, is on a mission to materialize AGI. Carmack holds the view that AGI would not merely be a valuable entity, but a blessing for humanity. But it's not all smooth sailing. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently responded to criticism from Elon Musk, who questioned the company's partnership with Microsoft. Altman assures that OpenAI maintains its independence and suggests Musk's concern stems from the future implications of AGI. Adding to this, OpenAI has released GPT-4, an advanced AI model. However, they remain cautious about public release due to potential risks. It seems the race to AGI is not just about reaching the finish line, but ensuring a safe and beneficial outcome for all. In a surprising twist, an OpenAI employee argues that the skill of coaxing AI models to produce better outputs, known as prompt engineering, is akin to effective human communication. This raises an intriguing question about the true nature of AI and AGI. Are they just mirrors of our own skills and abilities? As we delve deeper into the world of AI and AGI, the lines between human and artificial intelligence blur. Communication, creativity, and flexibility, skills traditionally associated with humans, are now seen as crucial in the age of AI. In conclusion, the developments in AI and AGI are shaping a future where artificial intelligence not only mimics, but also enhances human capabilities. As we navigate this new landscape, the challenge is not only to create advanced AI, but also ensure it benefits humanity. In the words of John Carmack, AGI is within striking distance. The question is, are we ready for it?